Hi, this news. Nima Ovibia Kwaba. So we now subscribe to the channel now. Let's just say over subscribe. What do you say over click the subscribe button? Now what notification? Where is a video for Biano? Also, once I I feel we are now like the video. Give us a thumbs up. Nafi share my offer for us. Now we need to hear since I had the latest and hot news in Kwana. Maybe Bremo. I feel young or a NCM. A apparently about or NPP papa. To say and somewhere across our party or campaign on fund to crowd, can create woman or in simple graph to that. If I had Dambuki, Dambuki every time, every year, campaign manager, what to say, Bawumia may be our year, just a little bit about who she are. Name 1 year, no, in 3 years, no, on 20 enter home and Sunny Money Coso and D or decided brand of war. Apparently, this answer you not to get any Bawumia didn't say for the fan buyer or net. Or economy, but better economy, what the net room, will be digitalization. And when I bet other and simply at the FIA Bawumia Napo Running. Now, what is a shanty we say, and yet the target my NPP. The one said no, one every year, one to see what they did the pioneer as a ketwa. Now, what I say, opposition, very more. So, no, I have before opposition be a crack, one equal position. Now, I done simply Eddie. Yes, sir, but no, I think tomorrow you could see a bright sema wali Afriyie NPP ho de akoso yetiro
ati attacking it here and it's very funny Shaibu. The new patriotic party that be because if opposition is smiling at you the people can be on fine. If opposition is getting close to you the one you bet you say papa bia na we uti attacking the asana okana is going to be extremely difficult for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to distance himself from another than Akufo Addo. Very, very difficult. He can never be a separate entity from a Akufo Addo government. ANC, you have a video number.
So, any message of continuity rubs salt into people's wounds. So, if people want to vote for Nana Addo and you are pledging continuity, then that will bode ill for you. People want to see how different Bawumia will be from Nana Akufo Addo. That is why he kind of resorted to the schoolboy prank of a planke. So that is the first thing. But more to the point, I think that this is not just an MPP problem. It's a national problem that our democracy is facing a credibility crisis. And I think that particularly looking at Kenya, whose case I have followed keenly over the last few days, we should, as the accountants say, fetch water and put beside our beard when we see the other people's beards are on fire. We are very close to an explosion based on the despondency on our streets.
Yeah, video like what? Hey, it can never be possible. It can never be possible. I didn't try. In 2008, power. Remember, in 2008, on the someone Lisa Hotel. Akufo Addo comes on the conditional clause being more catch them say when it comes to the economy. Papa will be economy. Was so here Jay Kofo na mama wo economy to fall into a pediafra and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na project with the Kwaku level. Now another ways power captures power bring Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on board. And I know Kasaba Bawumia head of the economy. Thank you. But today he's running away from it. And about digitalization digitalization. Sasa on metia. They means Esla and you could do by Sakio. No. Esla is the Minister for Communication. So digitalization is for the communication. Yes. So I also know Kwabena boss. I can't get a center on its chief executive officer. If everything is labeled to refer Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, then it means that these two people they are not working. But so much as because a government do say digitalization was a government flagship program. Or shall the ambulance importation that falls under the Ministry of Health. Yes. But Penny Kojo the buy. The present special initiative how I totally disagree. Then why should you make appointment for this kind of people? I can't get a center on a boss. What was he? What is his locus over there? Because I can't tell the Mahama. Yes. And I MPP are to us. The chief executive officer. Oh, Owusu, who is the minister for communication. That department falls under her. The question may be said, and Esla, no communication ministry. Everything is labeled to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, digitalization, digital. But the man is running away from his initial comments that he made. Chabu, if you look at Bawumia is a PhD holder in economics. PhD holder in economics? Yes, PhD doctor in economics. Yes. And when the packet This is one person who understands the nitty-gritty of economics. When NPP was in opposition, everybody thought that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the Messiah.
Yeah, economics.
Yes, say, if you listen to Bawumia in opposition, the kind of questions are not all bizarre. And my NDC phone program be doing it. Let me catch you. The long-serving finance ministers and some of Mahmoud Bawumia bisa pa kwese misa ta indie. What in the yard? And pa kwese misa ta men yano it that has affected the NDC.
Now, Franco, oh, yeah, I don't know. Danko for the name of this also. Yes, you can say a quabre for yes, Yamma Macadam Cotuaba. Yes, Nancy, so could do baby a handful. Yes, no, so more sorry, you was so nice. I'll be born. Mantemua. I said, Dr. Monacas or Coswine and Nantia. Yes, about a betting, yet power. And the other one can won't go your power. Can I ask a simple question? No. And then, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bet me the Guinness or any campaign. He's a fact by the NPP. Almost NPP on Trabaman. What's that? Almost NPP on Trabaman. NPP. Good. And the NPP for a year. The last 8 years, and a man for making us wash so. Near said, Papa and I want a bit to keep over. We want to keep over and send echo. Process of by send echo. That is how people are going to do it. Tenaka say they now can say they be shy will see there be each other. People who ask questions. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia can never distance himself from another than Akufo Addo. I don't know what they can. He still needs the shoulders of Akufo Addo to do campaign. And no man Akufo Addo I am. I didn't tell the people in the idea. They still want Mahmoud Bawumia to stand on it and do campaign. But the one idea, they are just giving to Akufo Addo alone. And they're facing the high school. But you Mahmoud Bawumia count and what about what you Mahmoud Bawumia is what the bonnie beard and another Akufo Addo. So he can never say, and I'm not say. And Akufo Addo, or be an economical problem that we are going through. So why would Bawumia inherit Akufo Addo mess?
He has no option. He has no option. And mess, and Akufo Addo want to hear you. Or no many yeah, mess.
But the Bawumia driver's mate.
What's he
is
the most hard-working vice president. I didn't say it. A hard-working vice president works with a president. Where the Blameka, and let's be objective and sincere here. Open the papa who was a son, a dear for running mate one, a Mahmoud Bawumia. First, running mate for near 4 months, errand boys, and I know. Maybe I shall anyone about the General Casabian. But Mahmoud Bawumia in opposition, the kind of contribution, input, town hall meetings in this animal here. Now, I'm not a master. The board is a running mate, you have a lot of responsibilities on you. Especially, a boss who you know before, you have to engage the people and make sure that no one makes my mate. But when NPP came into power, the most intelligent, the most Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. The question is, the intelligent meaning to not far more than Akufo Addo. I'm asking a question. Such a just also very intelligent. What we be say, I didn't tell us the input to our own.
So can Bawumia distance himself say, Abia, my free Akufo Addo movement?
Yes,
but Okwabonta, no campaigning on free education.
How is that going to be possible? How is that going to be possible? Now, NPP in 2008. Someone who cooked another idea for free office. Akufo Addo there so no digital campaign.
I cut a Kufuor's legacy.
Thank you. Kufuor's legacy. The achievements of J.A. Kufuor or Ye, and all that would also make sure so all Tom will be at Natanika. Nana the Akufo Addo can never be a separate entity from the NPP. It is the manifesto of the NPP. It is the agenda of the NPP. The NPP focus on it. Those maybe might have 1 or 2 issues with it, but Sammy Pan only lead the attention of the new patriotic party. And then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, that's what Sonia Robert's flag bearer. So much waba. One the control of Fita for.
There be NPP delegate.
Thank you. So me say it's not coming from beginner circles of the new patriotic party. Now I'm going to put in. Go and listen to Akufo Addo. I said this is the best play. This is the perfect play. We are going to use it to break the 8. So if you make this kind of statement, and then our person also said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia should be a separate entity from Uwe and another Akufo Addo.
But so wouldn't it be politically wise, say?
Yes.
Who shared their party at this time? Bawumia can resign as the vice president. Now because Akufo Addo ban with person detaching who free. Now Abia Owusu NPP vacant. I have gotten a
woman for 7 years, 6 months waiting. I don't know a woman for 7 years, 6 months waiting. Because of your vice president. And because the establishment was fighting for you, the establishment was fighting against people who were competent. A man for a commitment and dedication for the party. The establishment fought against them. And who can
resign as the vice president.
And I'm quite messing with the dear and 1 million normally will not do maybe. Now, 6 months or 5 months elections, and I would tell you and I would tell you and I want to tell you this. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Akufo Addo is doing more harm than good to him. And Akufo Addo, you know,
no fucking legs.
Akufo Addo, you know, I'm out for the Akufo Addo more before the problem about Yamo.
And you know, we are one before.
But I'm not that. But no matter Akufo Addo, you know, say, remember, I'm out for Quackers. Akufo Addo, party. Now we have a notion said Debbie, so Bawumia will take over Crassus to be a remote control. So I bet next year who control Mahmoud Bawumia and Sano. And they are Akufo Addo Kwaku Annan scientific tourism minister ambassador at large. Check what she is saying.
On coordinate all ambassadors, you know. So he said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia he said look at all the set cars in the engineer started. Yes. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, yes, or the Napo Running. Yes. John Dramani Mahama at the J Nana. I was a JG. Yes, John Dramani J Nana. Text me, you know, he say, Sabu, Franco. Men have a catch up. Sir, time and names may pop up over. And let me establish this point. We are actually Franco is better. Franco is peeved. Franco hatred for Napo Diabendi. I try to do an honest analysis about the matter. Sasa Wabisami and MS was a young fan tour. I'll bring facts and figures related to Bame from where I sit. Let me give you this preamble. Me say, Bawumia Napo is suicidal. So you know,
Shabu. Me say, Bawumia. Now I'm saying, now that's what me kind of pastor Tiba. People are trying to bring the old videos, the comments of Napo. No years, and then I don't know if you are getting me. But you see Napo say now. Yes, it's scandal. Grandma said what?
Oma 10 cents of Napo means one who you do now.
Tell me say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, he's a technocrat. He's not a politician. I don't join the politician. Yeah, he's a technocrat. But I understand that you need a politician to complement the slot for you. But if you need a politician, you should be extremely very circumspect. Who you bring on board as your running mate. When you plan out one these running mates, can make and unmake you.
For now, I want to until you share Omaha Deno Mahama. We say Mahama free on the northern part. Yes, until one Pierre Voodoo if you are Jena also for the central part, Pierre Voodoo if you are. But for the northern part, only the votes. Yes, now. Some of us will not. Yeah, also goes back. Yeah, we for central interior, central, northern, northern Ashanti region. Thank you. And they say, Mesro, Fatu Mami, Meko Bia, the office, but no Koye Juma. School Krana, no more ministers. School Grando was saying a passage. They were saying a failure. Policy bear on the buyer affecting Ghanaians in a positive or negative way. My Baba have blemish, my Baba have corrupt scandals. Then I leave it to the ordinary Ghanaian, okay, to decide. I say, and in Guasem Fatakani, Guasem Fatakani, to Bazak Cotem Kuku, but Nanima say, Dambochi, an astute politician who building lessons, and our managing campaign and Kuguada. Shami, Franco, Ledikai, San Semna Babon, so the NPP, Nana Komiamuna and a B mood, if come out to debunk the story. Yeah. Take this for me. There's no joke with it. But we were not expecting them to come and say they're not correct because in politics. Okay, say, yeah. Your castle, my presenting a pool, the Akoto president here, Dennis Marakalabwaji, who is the official spokesperson for Bawumia campaign, came out to debunk the story and says it's never true. Sabu, take this for me. If they don't joke with this man, the man is about 95% sure this man will resign. I'm telling you, if they joke with Damoshi, Shabu may say anything I say about the new patriotic party internal matters. I'm telling you, say NPP ni be wote me bia no. Bibia nye okay sa wo. Bibia nye okay sa. Campaign no bia manya. Ask yourself first question. If they maintain over millions of people who support the new patriotic party, card-bearing members, Omkoyi Dambotre to be the campaign chairman. What is our question? There be one. These elections have a significant replica of 2000 election. Okay. That be also.
the person who was a senior administrator for the new patriotic party to capture power, wrestle power from the NDC, whereby the NPP was even more attractive to the ordinary Ghanaian was Dambuchi.
Okay.
Saba Pawi, or no Kwabena Agyapong, Jeko for the Mukwa Abroche Kusuade about elections. About elections. And the NPP follow this is one of the most crucial elections that they are going.
One of the elections.
Yes.
Na Kwabena Agyapong was strong.
Strong.
Oya 90s for compensation. Pieba bi na figures na sesa.
Eno, ena Kwabena Agyapong. One papa me affinity. Yay, me affinity. And this man. Okay. Was say, anytime Kwabena Agyapong walks out and he comes in, the figure starts to change. He doesn't get it. And that was 2008. 2008. And they are going to mobilize their people on the street because they feel and things they are in bed with the EC and they want to rig the elections. And everybody should cool down. Figures have in a so then I'm okay to a certain kind of notion be and a perception besides elections. So it's normal. In 2000 elections, those MPP folk will hear amount for more. But the senior administrator and the chief strategist for that kind of election was Dambuchi. Very young, affable, laughable. Nipa, who says yes, he understands the human oil.
What elections are saying?
Thank you.
What goes into an election?
And the MPP for more cars, I must say, open the most hard-working general in Rwanda Dambuchi. Because at that material moment, since 1992, the MPP man by Muda, this man was able to win power for the new patriotic party. Tishabu, D and Perka research Sa papa wedi, Yamani Lydia Jena, a bit in Yabwa. Now what has changed? What has changed? They are changing in Sabu. The man is having problem with and confer a bed of Bawumia. Now, man, if we say there are some actions and inactions from Dr. Bawumia, which is going against the campaign of the new patriotic party. People seem to be a comedian. People doesn't take him serious. A typical one day they see Tichimano. They see Tichimano. And let me tell you, that day no the man registered his displeasure. Telling them, why do you go and pick Obistia? And we are saying you are trying to subject yourself to public ridicule. What so much you are coming down and you are condemning and anytime the man advises Dr. Bawumia Bejetu or Koba Biranandi,
apart from campaign manager, was also conform to truthful.
Say the campaign manager is an incompetent campaign manager.
Are they?
Operanza.
Campaign chairman.
Me say was a campaign manager. And I'm saying the campaign manager is an incompetent campaign manager. A campaign manager who cannot win his constituency. A campaign manager of national elections is 66. 50. So person be general secretary of a party. Yeah. A campaign manager who is too temperamental. Before he goes over the board and say anything. Daddy, you need people who can coach you and guide you well. Talk to you well. Now, Dambuchi feels Daddy. People around Dr. Bawumia, they are not helping the man. And he is the chief strategist. This man has won elections for the new patriotic party when things were extremely tough for the party. So he understands the nitty-gritty of how to win elections. Or catch that Bawumia So then how did you ultimately stay cool now? Person resign. Shabu, I mean, Abraba individual differences. Yeah, you may. Shabu la sisi, adia wuye mesempe. Shabu me too for wonfa. I can decide something can was be. I can decide something can was I can decide something be kwa kusi every year. Miss what nagas me di hu here me ka measure Dampare last. Kotoko former boss was say me di hu here me. Be a papa who say di hu here no. He doesn't want to go into a problem. Why about Chinese senior can say he was a campaign chairman who took the NPP to opposition. Shabu. Maybe I not correct for party musa. Maybe I not correct. Have you asked yourself why they want to come and do the Adorye in Kumasi? What is that? Shabu, Dr. Bawumia, in August 2008, in your bonity, on the 17th of August, na NPP for a manifesto launch, and on my Adorye in Kam, and on my second data crowd, Timmy. One, Bawumia is hailing from the northern part of Ghana. Yamfananta flight, Yamfananta plane, Yamfananta come on Kodikomu, Yanuko PM, our second data crowd, and one NPP for a launch of manifesto. no making sure some bone din e Adorye mo obi say this is going to be the partner for another Kweku Annan.
Maybe because I didn't because now put this Ashanti you mean that I don't want to come baby I won't nim no
ka sam tell mama ka sam tell me through NPP Chabu people might have issues with me or more family me ko but more aso be fema kan sam na kire no crown ne ka di the truth is a bitter pill but say you cannot question Chabu na konlock wo hye dem din tie one me ni watem me nka kasa fi bia njo me kasa asema franco kan di there is truth in it.
Reflecting on some
yes,
kind.
To refresh what because let me open up and tell him the reality. Can I tell you one thing?
Baby.
Who may talk about Shanti? They know the grounds are not fertile.
What's it?
They say they know the grounds are not fertile. I'm going to tell you one thing.
Catch me.
What do you say? After saying the mobile by years, campaign, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Napo Running. Do you know that the new patriotic party has set a research team in Ashanti region? Or by a research and no more catch on the land is not fertile. Okay, who started to follow politics? When was the last time you saw an NPP party, the flag bearer of the party, senior people in the party coming to Ashanti region to come and do campaign for
in Tibida?
Now people are registering their displeasure to them. They want to know the organic thing that is happening on the ground. I may say, I will take this one.
So can Napo, can he patch the portal so that that's a what was there in the MPP and Timam for us and Timantema or Montema Bassa?
Chabu, another year can say Bianca, a castle years old. NPP for a monumental projects, developmental projects. And they say, Ukraine NPP for what problem? They can look on it and tell you. Such I will. Some of you buy. No, they are more expecting milk and honey. Evidence may catch him manifesto now, Corona Ed. Ye catch a bit more yes, idea. Pay your expectation. They are more expecting 80% from us. Yet try 60. 16 when you have a my opportunity. Moon for money to Salom and no whistle, no one trouble for me. Sinibim. Then the NPP, I am young Kasami party, they should come and tell me. Over three monumental projects by the new patriotic party started in 2017, ended in 2024.
You will go waiting and some year Abranti Eddie Atuga wa Brobo and Sembre so the Akoso war party and the Wada and some Rugonara Eddie. The council Tisim so and all hero so we know subscribe ya. For what they say over subscribe now like it now watch a video no ama of so in maybe now worry. Also bet me actually watching Afriyie and some you know ever comment boxing. Over to you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.